There are several types of fiber optic connectors available today. The most common are ST, SC, FC, and newer small form factor MTRJ and LC style connectors. All of these types of connectors can be used with either multi-mode or single-mode fiber. There are three main types of polishes that can be applied to a fiber connector: PC, or physical contact, UPC, or ultra-physical contact, and APC, or angled physical contact. Each polish type exhibits a different level of back reflection. Back reflection is a measure of the light reflected off the end of a fiber connector. This light is measured in decibels. In certain applications, the amount of back reflection on a fiber connector is critical.